Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Tuesday the 14th of May at 5 o'clock in the evening. Had the hedge cut the other day, looking really smart. As you can see, come down here. Been a couple of weeks since my last video. We come down. Things are looking really starting to rain. But yeah, I had a couple of days of dry weather, and then the rain started just now. So I came out to make this video, so hopefully things don't get too wet. It's starting to flower. Look at these beautiful pink geraniums, perennial. And then we come down the hostas, really filling out nicely. Phlox, which is white, scented, gorgeous. These are scented lilies here. Perennial. These are perennial day lilies, as the name suggests. You get usually one day out of each flower, but you get several flowers one after another. From down here, some forget-me-nots, which are really nice ground cover plants. Next to that we have a lupin self-seed, which is lovely. Hollyhocks there. Just been out and give the grass a quick mow. Vibascum here, white, which is gorgeous. Then we come down here around the corner, folks. You see, I've got to go around with the hedge trimmers, which I will do when it stops raining. Nice little Easter bonnet, Aquilegia. Another lupin there. Come round, these are my peonies. The ants absolutely love the sap. You can see there, the sap, the sweet sap that comes out. The ants are mad for it. These Japanese anemones, which flower really nice later on in the year. Some more lilies here, just getting ready to do some flower buds. Hostas, which the slugs and snails absolutely love. See the one there. This is a dwarf delphinium, which I've grown from seed. Lovely silvery blue flowers when they come out. Then we have my tree up here, which I've cut back the ivy, as you can see there. I like it up to about there, just to cover everything. Excuse me. Then we have hollyhock here, another peony, which needs staking. Then we have a flowering peony just going over at the back there. Daylilies here. Sticky buds, which I absolutely hate. Those will need pulling out. Here we have a beautiful red perennial poppy, an oriental poppy, great. Next to that, I have a white one called Diane Joyce, which I absolutely love. Some hollyhocks here, which are going to look absolutely fantastic. Down here, this is where I'm going to plant some cosmos, evening primrose, and a few other bits. But yeah, hollyhocks are looking really well. My bleeding heart dye centre is just about going over. But yeah, the sticky buds come back really quickly. Here we have another peony. Getting ready to flower. The scented, which is absolutely great. Here we have a beautiful lupin, purple writer. We come along here. Oh, we're going to dig all this up, but I've left it. So, just get rid of the sticky buds. Another lupin there. This is a bearded iris. A lovely hosta there, different shaped leaf variety. We come down here, a couple of chairs, and then we have some potting material there. That's what for the hanging baskets I'm going to be doing the next few days. Plant these up with some sweet peas in here. I think I'll do another vertical planter just in the corner there. Tie it into the bracket at the top there. But this is a petunia that's been in all winter, which I've never known survive, not once. There we have jasmine cottage cream. The scent is divine. This is another delphinium grown from seed. This is like electric blue, really amazing colours. Yeah, and as we come down here, we have peony in pots, agapanthus grown from seed, foxglove just getting ready to flower, which is great, but don't forget the toxic those. And yeah, this bottom bit needs a good weed. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this little video, this little walk round. If you like my videos, please subscribe and like. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.